So here we're looking at the two absolute value transformations. So we're starting with the x minus 2 all squared. So there's our original parabola. This one here is when we do absolute value x plus 3 is our substitution. So this ends up being doing the shift first, then the absolute value. So what's going to happen is this is going to shift to the left. We're going to end up chopping off a huge part of this and end up with just this little section from here to about here. And then that's going to be the part that's going to be mirrored. So when I show that, this is what it looks like. So you can see that we get a kind of a chopped off V. So this graph is going to continue like that. The parabola, that's the part that's missing. Okay, so that's the graph we end up with, and that's what we showed in the example. The other one was the next example where we actually did the opposite. So this was shift first, then absolute value. Here, the notation, when we undo this notation, we're going to do the absolute value first, and then shift to the left second. And then we also have this vertical flip out here. So when we do that, we're going to chop off this first, then shift it. So this is going to get lost. Okay, the absolute value is going to get rid of that. The negatives can't exist anymore. And then we're just going to have this part here that's going to be mirrored. Okay, so that's where we get this M shape. So that's the part that this part got retained after the absolute value. This got mirrored, and then we get these two halves like that. And then we also have this vertical flip on the outside.